Greetings, I am known as Benjamin. I am 26 years of age and presently enrolled in the Data Analytics program at the School of Data located at Artefact. I have recently graduated with a Master of Science in Data Analytics from a prestigious business school. I desired to proceed with a somewhat more technical training. That is the reason why I enrolled. What led me to take this training is the desire to acquire more technical skills to combine them with my previous business knowledge in order to address the challenges of tomorrow. Artefact appeared to me to be the perfect place to fulfill this desire, as the training is seamlessly integrated into the company's operations. Considering that Artefact is a prominent player in the industry, I presumed that they possessed the highest level of competence to provide me with training that would enable me to fulfill the company's requirements and secure a junior position in the future. At the end of this training, I would like to be hired as a junior in a firm, either as a data scientist or data engineer. I trust Artefact to be able to respond to this request.